Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the Nepali names for widely known cereals. I have selected a few that are found all over the world, including Nepal. I will first identify the cereals with its English name. Then I will pronounce the Nepali name 3 times. Repeat after me and surprise your parents and grandparents. Let's begin.
Barley,
Jau, jau, jau.
corn,
Makai, makai, makai.
finger millet,
औला ज्वार, औला ज्वार, औला ज्वार.
foxtail millet,
रातो कगुनो, रातो कगुनो, रातो कगुनो.
kodo millet,
कोदो, कोदो, कोदो.
proso millet,
दूधे, दूधे, दूधे.
pearl millet,
जुनेलो, जुनेलो, जुनेलो.
rice,
धान, धान, धान.
rice,
चामल, चामल, चामल.
sorghum,
ज्वारी, ज्वारी, ज्वारी.
wheat,
गहूँ, गहूँ, गहूँ.
pseudocereal, amaranth,
चौलाई, चौलाई, चौलाई.
quinoa,
quinoa, quinoa, quinoa.
flaxseed,
आलस, आलस, आलस.
buckwheat,
फापर, फापर, फापर. This concludes our presentation. Thank you and see you again for the next presentation.